So I want to search Twitter, all of these keywords and phrases I want to search for and look for conversations. So let's go to Twitter and search and see what the URL is. So we can go to Twitter, we can go up to the bar and search, and we can see that there is a URL. I will actually copy and paste this into the sheet. The URL is going to be x.com/search $Q equals growth, and then this %20 is actually a space. It's just an encoded version of a space character. So what I want to do is take just that base here. I'm going to copy it. We're going to do it equals hyperlink, and I'm going to put in the URL here. That's just the base URL with this Q equals, and I want to put the search query after that. So I'll put a ampersand and then the search query. But one extra thing I want to do is wrap encode URL around this. This is a formula that will take the spaces and turn them into %20 or something that the URL can use. So that is the hyperlink there. And let's test it out. We can actually copy paste this down a few times. Let's just test it out. Click on one and see that works exactly perfectly, right? I can go to this conversations. I can see the latest ones. I can look through this. I can keep tabs on what's going on. And it has this %20. This is great. But maybe I don't want this whole entire URL. Maybe I want a text search on Twitter. So I'll put that in quotes. And all of these are search on Twitter, but they are actually underneath that search phrase over there on the left. So here's burn rate. Let's see. Exactly. It's searching for burn rate. Awesome. So now I can see conversations that use that phrase. I can look for conversations that have very specific phrases in them, new to growth hacking, and see if there's any conversations about that. Maybe we use the word solopreneur here. Let's see if we can search for that. And just looking for the word solopreneur, not here, but here's my transparent take. So maybe it is conversations from solopreneurs as a solopreneur. Maybe we want all of this phrase. We can come back here and say, yeah, we want that very specific phrase as a solopreneur working from Bali. And we can see this search and see what other conversations are happening. We can maybe copy and paste this instead of Bali from Thailand, or be more specific like, and search for those phrases, right? Instead of having to go to Twitter and type this out every time, I now have this database. But if you're looking to search on way more sites than Twitter, check out SearchLord. It is an absolutely free template. Check it out at bettersheets.co/SearchLord, and you can search single phrases for over 80 sites. You can also select the ones you want to search for, or you can even search any number of keywords or phrases across many, many sites. This is a really easy to use search tool in Google Sheets. Use it and be awesome. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.